In this video, I will show you how to connect TradingView to Bybit. To get started, go ahead and open TradingView into your device. So you can do this both on the mobile application, desktop application, and the browser version. And here, go ahead and head over into the Charts tab. So hit on the Chart button, and in here you'll be able to find the current activity of available cryptocurrencies on TradingView. Click on that trading button, and that will redirect you into the section. Now, in this list, you'll need to look for Bybit on the list of the trusted brokers of TradingView. Make sure that you have Bybit installed on your device to be able to simply hit on that connect button. Since once you click on that connect button, you'll get redirected to the Bybit app where your account should be signed in and where you can confirm the connection between your Bybit account and your TradingView account. So Bybit will serve as your broker wherein you can deposit your funds from and withdraw your funds from TradingView. And that is basically how you can connect your Bybit account into your TradingView account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.